I was poking around YouTube. I'm kind of a sucker for this clickbait kind of stuff, and there was a video about the Stoics and Seneca and Marcus Aurelius and people like that. One thing that they said that they do is they practice negative visualization. Now, as I've said before, any motivational guru worth his weight in salt will tell you that things aren't brought about by thinking about the opposite. Okay. So you want to think positive, you want to be positive. In the markets, however, sometimes you need to be a little bit more skeptical. Okay. The Stoics, according to this quote that was in this video, that's the video right there, Stoic Warrior Mind. I'll give them a shout out because that's where I found it. Today I will encounter people who are selfish, rude, and arrogant, but I will not let it disturb my peace. Every morning, take 30 seconds and remind yourself that you will face negativity today, but I will not let it control me. So this kind of dovetails a little bit into the morning pages, and lately I've been, probably because of my search history or something. I'm getting a lot of other things too for some reason. But I'm getting a lot of this the Stoic type of stuff in all, and people like Groggins. He's this really fit dude, is a Navy SEAL, and he'll actually record things that people say, and he'll listen to them as he runs to encourage him. And I think that's a bit much. But anyway, getting back to all this Stoic stuff, is a lot of the stuff that's coming up is the importance of storing that morning quiet. Okay, stay analog and have these thoughts and prepare yourself, get that warrior mindset for the day. And I just think that's very important. It kind of hinted to this: every morning, take 30 seconds, right? Remind yourself. So just remember that anything can happen, okay? So negative visualization reminded me of negative capability. Now, negative capability, I've written quite a bit about this. I haven't made a lot of it public yet, but I'm working on all these things. It kind of reminds me of what Keats said. It struck me what quality went to form a man of achievement, especially in literature, and what Shakespeare possessed so enormously. I mean, negative capability, that is, when a man is capable of being in uncertainties, mysteries, doubts, without any irritable reaching after fact and reason. But the reason I brought this up is that anything can happen. All predictions are about the future. A lot of stuff can happen between now and then, right? So if you're willing to accept that, okay, and like Douglas once said, if there's any animosity once you get into a trade, you obviously haven't fully accepted the risk. Well, obviously, with the amount of F-bombs I drop, I haven't fully accepted the risk a lot of times. So here's my F-bomb here. I'm not going to drop it anymore because it's I'm going to drop it from a small height. It's pretty substantial. But anyway, so I know it sounds a little counterintuitive to be negative, but you're not being negative. You're just accepting the fact that something bad can and often will happen in this business.